Is that from Santa?
I have this one now.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
This Santa Queen is blue.
Lightning McQueen is blue? Oh, cool.
I have Diesel.
You got Diesel.
Does he work? It's a big track, buddy.
He's happy.
Yeah.
Diesel's happy. Good.
Hey, who's on top of the bridge?
Toby.
You got Toby?
Toby.
Whoa.
And this one.
I see something you haven't seen yet over there. Do you like Blaze?
Amazing treasure. This is all I have.
Who's that?
Oh, man.
Darrington.
There you go, buddy. Look at all the Blaze trucks you got.
The base. I have
Blaze movie? Blaze Black? Whoa. Crusher. Pickle. They're going up the bridge. Oh. Zeg. And Stripes. Yeah. Which one is behind you? Who's that? That's Samson.
Samson. Wait, Mama. Mama, see? He was in the morning and he found him.
You got new train tracks?
Yep, we got more wood tracks. So we can make even bigger tracks with the wood tracks now.